So I will disclose a hack. If you have like thousands of rows and you want to insert blank row after each row, so how can you do this quickly? So I will type 1, 2. I want to insert blank row after each of this row. So I will tell you the hack. So firstly, type 1, 2, and then copy till the end of the data, and then copy these all numbers and then just paste underneath the number 14. Then select all those numbers till the end, and then from here go to data, and you can see the sort sheet by column F. Click this one, and boom, you can see the blank row has been inserted after each row. So after each filled row, there is a blank row. It's showing me the headings at the bottom of the data. So there's no really problem. I can insert the row here, and then I can just copy my headings here. This is how you can quickly insert and blank rows in a matter of a few seconds, especially when you have thousands of the rows. You want to quickly insert the blank rows, so you can insert the blank rows. So I can just delete it and I can use my data as it is. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks.